first and foremost, we're going to talk about ESPN today. ESPN is a pretty updated site. They are still some little areas where they can improve on the site. Let's start off for content organization, as where it's basically organized. I'm going more towards the navigation bar as well as the teams. They could alphabetically organize these things, that way people can find things easier by alphabetical order rather than just randomly going everywhere to search for something right when they see it. As for visual organization, they could, as we're staying with the navigation bar headlines, they could, instead of using the color scheme of black and white, they can still keep it, but a bold contrast will actually help. So contrasting the difference, make it a little bit larger. That way they can see it much better. As well for these things down here, there's a lot of things that they can use contrast in headlines to make more visible because of the white background. Color scheme. Let's go into the color scheme. There is a lot of text on here, which actually is a negative towards the site, but staying on with the text, the color they're using is a light blue and a light gray. So the white background doesn't really help for viewers to be reading on the site. So they might want to help on making the regular text a dark black, not bold, but a darker black, and switching the blue to as well to a darker color. Moving on to the typography of the site, like I said, the text, a little bit more lines rather than just text. That way, people can see what's happening. Too much text, like I was talking about before. They should have a little more images. That way, people can just see what's happening rather than just wanting to read the whole thing. If they want to read, they can click on the picture to get to that link. So, more headlines, more pictures as well, which would be kind of better for our viewers. Now, on the multimedia part of the site, like I said, more images, which would help capture visual people to actually get caught on the page because of the images that they're seeing, as well as the video. They do have videos in it. The main page is a big video with has a couple items down here where you can switch to what's happening. A lot of videos. Um, but during the videos being played, they could help on as well. The videos being played, there's a voice speaker basically, so in order to understand this, you do have to hear. So for the hearing impaired, they wouldn't know what's happening. So I'd say on improving on, we can put a subtitle on what are the people actually saying on the video, so the hearing impaired can understand what's happening, which would help them a lot more. Now, as for the mobilization part of the site, they do have the time here, which is just a date, but they could improve on putting time zones of where you're located, which would help. As well as languages, they can have a section here for switching the language of the site. You have Spanish, and there's more, and here's some of the countries that they go on with. But they could improve on actually putting, like they just have it for Spanish, but as for the other countries, people won't understand what Asia and Australia if they don't understand the language. So they could improve on just switching the language of the link to get there, like they did to Spanish to Portuguese. As well, as for the personalization part of the site, they do have a personalized homepage once you register and sign in onto the page. Let me take you there. Well, it's not working right, but they do have a personalized page where you can basically sign in, personalize the color of your page, and some of the things you want to put on. But an improvement they can add is where they can automatically view without updating the page, you can automatically have people see what they want to see according to what they view, as if they never personalized it. Some people have a change of mind on what they want to see, so according to the views, they can go automatically to what they want to see, and that's it. As well, for the shopping part of the site, they can use it as something to find more customers after they purchase something. So if a consumer had purchased a shirt of the Patriots, maybe the next time that same consumer comes onto the site, they want to put shirts of the Patriots shirts to their page to marketize to them, to knowing what they like. That way they can purchase faster and maybe actually purchase it because they like it. So that's about it. ESPN is a pretty good site for that. Security is pretty good. So those are my improvements for the ESPN site. Thank you.